Good morning. This is the MH-5 fastener attaching machine. It's hydraulically powered. All you have to do is connect it to an outlet. And we're going to be setting our 1.5-inch number 12 curtain grommets into various materials. Now we tested this a little bit earlier, and we found that to get the best effect, you're going to need a stiffener in your curtains. This machine cuts and sets the grommet at the same time. That was the first material. And we're using two distinct washers. The first one was a tooth washer. This is a plain washer. So the plain washers are placed with the concave side facing up. That is the measuring stick off to the right. That ensures that all of your grommets are evenly spaced apart. Looks good. So we're moving on to the third. This is a little bit of a thicker fabric. And this is folded over, I believe, twice. So this is the tooth washer I mentioned. The tooth washer actually gets placed with a concave side facing down, the teeth facing up. Looks good. Now this machine can actually accommodate the number 15 die as well. So that's going to be the 2-inch curtain grommet. We're not going to show it here, but if you're setting the 1.5 or the 2, you can always interchange the die. You won't have an issue. So on these lighter fabrics, it's really important that we use those stiffeners. The name actually escapes me at the moment, but it's like a fabric. You iron it into the between the layers, and it provides enough support so that so for instance, this little indentation would be prevented if you had that stiffener. I'm going to show you the foot pedal. And just it keeps your hands out of the way. So again, that's the plain washer. And it's going concave side up. So stretch the fabric out, make it nice and taut, and then press on the foot pedal. And I'll set the grommet for you. Now this machine actually comes with a special safety feature. You can actually have the foot pedal replaced with 2 hand buttons that would go around here. And it would ensure that both hands are completely far away from the actual cutter. That's the grommets.
Interface.
Oh, the interface. That's what it's called. Now we don't have an iron here, so we attempted to do our best to just put an interface in there. We set a grommet earlier. It came out pretty well. That's the tooth washer, and the teeth are facing up. Concave side down. Teeth are facing up. That's going to be the section with the interface.
A little bit high.
A little bit. But that's because we didn't iron the interface. It's the interface is meant to be ironed on. Yeah. Looks good.
Then we have to try to check the 4 layers
Oh, let's try 4 layers.
for the foam washers.
Remember to use the spacer as much as you can. It keeps everything nice and even. And you see it just powered through 4 layers like nothing. Yeah, very good machine.